Hey guys, Ronald Reaper here, is back with another quick unboxing video. And today I have the 40th anniversary edition of Alien, which obviously a special edition release like this, I'm obviously going to pick it up. And for $7.99 as well at HMV, can't really argue with that price. It comes with a whole ton of extras, including audio commentary by the director Ridley Scott and the cast and crew of the film, and an introduction by Ridley Scott, the theatrical, the final isolated score by composer Jerry Goldsmith, and the original isolated score by Jerry Goldsmith, plus some deleted and extended scenes, that's a given. And it also comes with the original theatrical cut and the 2003 director's cut of the film, and some art cards as well to mark this special release. Has this really gorgeous cover art, and even on the back as well there's really nice artwork and images from the film at the top. So yeah, there's my receipt when I got it at HMV, and yeah, it's an 18 rating for strong horror and violence language. Obviously, because the ratings back then, and I don't think they ever reclassified it, even then it probably would still be an 18 anyways. So yeah, let's look inside. So yeah, just a standard armory, no like different coloured case. Might have to take this off camera. And yeah, here it is. Alien. Just the same artwork on the armory as was on the slip, but obviously it's shrunk down here to fit the proportions of the case. So yeah, inside we have a couple art cards here. We have this one with the word alien repeated on it, with an outline of some of the characters. We also have this one, this really nice artwork. We also have this one, which I really like the clever approach the artwork for this one took. And of course, we have the classic poster art of the alien egg and the iconic tagline, "In space, no one can hear you scream." And on the back, they all have this Alien 40th anniversary on it with the block of credits underneath. So yeah, inside it's just the one disc with the two cuts on it, and this fairly simple disc art works really well. And it's got It's region free, so if you want to import, then yeah, you can. It can be played in all regions. It also has THX audio and a DTS 5.1 audio track. So yeah, overall, not a bad little addition. Definitely worth it for the 40th anniversary. You know what, for being so cheap, I'd recommend you pick this up if you're if you want, like, if you've not got this in your collection. It's a very good one to pick up, or just to have this, like, just to have this classic film as part of your physical collection. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you're new and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss an upload. And just a quick update, I don't think I'll be able to get a Friday movie night episode out this week. Assuming I can, there will be one, but if I can't, then it will be back next week. So yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Until then, bye.